Hello everyone, I'm Chris with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. We're gonna go out to Indy Motorsports Ranch. Yeah, we're gonna go and have some track fun, but more importantly, we're gonna go over a few tips and tricks that I use to make sure I have a fun, really uneventful in a bad way kind of track day. They're not your typical wire your bike up or any sort of track prep that is. That's stuff you can find really anywhere. This is more of a physical and mental approach to a track day. So let's go hit the track and see what we got in store. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna go over some tips and tricks on how to make your next track day successful, fun, without any weird issues. No, I'm not going over prep. There's tons of videos out there and a lot of the tracks have their own requirements for prep, so definitely check that out. This is something that gets wildly overlooked when you come out. You think you want to go run, you think you want to go fast, but you don't even prep your body to do any of that. One of the biggest things you need to try to do is stretch, warm up, get everything moving before you even get on the bike. Take time to warm up, get your joints loose, and really stretch out a little bit so that way your body is ready for what you're about to do out there.
All right, so after you stretch and get them parts moving, you want to have an outlap. And what that means is you check to make sure there's no other riders coming, first off. What that means is you go at a pace that is to get your body, mind, tires, and bike warmed up and ready for action. If you normally do like 110 down there, do a little slower. Just get the rhythm back. Tires aren't warm, you're not warm, you know, so you got to catch back up again, or warm back up again, which is fine. Like me, I just went crazy wide because I was being very gentle to throttle because the tires are very cool. I'll say cold, but cool. And I cramped up earlier, so I'm trying to make sure I warm up enough so that way I can keep riding. Also, this is a 30-minute session, so I didn't go out until 15 minutes. Over slowing a bit, but that's fine. We're trying to get heat in the tires. And just take a lap or two and just work on some form. Remember the lines. Patience. And just kind of feel your way back around the track. Get acquainted with her. It's a dance. Like, you know where you're gonna add throttle, where you're gonna add brake, and just kind of hit those points just at a much more subdued manner. And then you can start ripping. Faster this time. Like that away. see, your pace can pick up, but your body and bike loosen up. And they're warm. And your mind is sort of calibrated. Oop. And that, my friends, is how you do a good couple warm-up laps, do a nice flying lap, and then just call it a session. You have all day. There's no need to rush anything. Things not feeling right, pull in, take a nap, relax, calm down. It's the best thing ever.
Another tip to make sure you have a successful track day is to start with a lead follow. Get someone that knows the track, especially if you've never been there, and show you around, show you the lines, show you where to brake, especially braking, because there's some tracks that have blind corners and they will definitely get you out and make you have a very, very bad day, have that agricultural experience you're not looking to get, or you brake too hard, freak yourself out, and get intimate with the pavement. You don't want that either. So I hope these tips and tricks were useful to you and you can implement them in your next track day. Remember to stretch, hydrate, do a lead follow, do a couple warm-up laps on your own every time you go out, and you'll have a great track day and, avoid those excursions. You know what I'm saying? But with that, I hope you all have a good one. I'm out.